Hello and welcome to the Eastern Computer Podcast, where we will be discussing VMware Cloud on the Dell technology platform. Today's speaker is Rick Westrate, Senior VP of Cloud Solutions. Welcome, Rick.
Nice to join you. Thanks for having me.
Thank you so much. Let's start with the modern infrastructure of today. What does it look like in the digital era?
Well, that's the million-dollar question. Thanks for asking. The applications that power your digital strategy are constantly evolving, and they need an infrastructure that is flexible and expandable in which to run. So when we have the rise of public clouds and prolific edge devices, that infrastructure is getting distributed across platforms, and IT needs need to evolve to deliver higher value services from both that physical infrastructure, virtual infrastructure, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service. Away we go. There's lots of acronyms we could throw at that. But no one paradigm can meet all applications and data needs.
Okay. From what you've seen, which cloud, private, hybrid, or multi is best for each application? And then can you share how you can deliver higher levels of services in a consistent way from the edge to the core?
Certainly. There's lots of ways you can skin that cat, but ultimately, you want to deliver the benefits of cloud computing for all your workloads, whether they can truly run in the public cloud or if they need to remain in your data center for some reason. And there's lots of reasons why that may happen across our customer base that we're seeing. Or possibly at the edge, we're seeing a proliferation of edge devices as well. At Eastern, we favor for on-premises flexible infrastructure, the Dell solution on VMware, which is a combination of what Dell offers, their best-in-class infrastructure for on-prem servers and infrastructure workloads with the ability to completely integrate with the public cloud infrastructure that you're used to on Amazon and elsewhere. And then with VMware added into the mix, that's kind of the secret sauce. And we were able to provide consistent infrastructure and networking across all the clouds that you want to connect to, whether it be your cloud, whether it be VMware Cloud on Amazon, Google, and Microsoft Azure. And that really the secret sauce that pulls that all together is VMware Cloud Foundations and VMware NSXT, which allows for consistent operations and experiences between all those different clouds. And together they create one experience with Dell Technologies Cloud that we're very excited about. And our customers are loving it and realizing great benefits from it.
That's fantastic. What are some of the top benefits of the actual solution?
Sure. Well, this was a closely engineered solution in collaboration between both Dell and VMware with VMware Cloud Foundations and VxRail. In my experience, Dell Technologies Cloud delivers the simplest and fastest hybrid cloud deployment for our customers with an improved experience across all those environments after you have it stood up rather than piecemealing everything together. It's really seamless and tightly integrated. But it also extends this notion of software-defined data center, composable infrastructure, if you will, to the cloud and brings you all those cloud-like automations and agility also back to the data center. So again, you have that consistent operations between anywhere you choose to run your workloads. And so for those workloads in the cloud, this broader cloud ecosystem, it allows you to take your hybrid cloud workloads not only just from AWS, but also to Azure and GPC. And also 4,200 other regional players and cloud providers specific to either a region or a specific application or vertical that VMware works with around the world. So it's not just the big three players that we're talking about. We're talking about 4,200 other VMware compatible clouds out there that you could seamlessly move your workloads back and forth between your Dell Technologies, VxRail, and VMware Cloud on Dell on-prem to the cloud of your choice. And to sum it up, some of these benefits are that complete automated life cycle from the very beginning when you stand things up to the day 2 operations, care and feeding, streamlined operations going on. So much fewer people needed to run this infrastructure and to keep it alive and well and running to your business needs. And according to many third-party analysts like IDC, for example, a 47% reduction in total cost of ownership. So it's a great solution that we're excited about. Our customers are having great experiences with this.
That's wonderful. Can you share an example, a customer example of use in this case?
Sure. We have many great examples, but I'll bring up one specific one that was very recent and just a great success story all around. It was a global pharma. We can't use their name publicly, but you would recognize them. A household brand is spinning off a business unit onto their own for a variety of reasons. And so they have to separate all that infrastructure. They have a destination where they really want to have everything in the cloud. They don't own any data centers today, but they have to get out of their parent company's data centers. And so they use the VMware Cloud on AWS, as well as Dell on VMware on-prem as a staging spot to move all those workloads away from the parent company onto infrastructure they quote-unquote owned, whether it be in the cloud or on-prem. And then they use the VMware Cloud and Amazon as a quick way to have flex capacity going on. And a lot of those workloads have to come back on-prem. So rather, they left some of them out in VMC, loved it. They were able to very quickly evacuate from their parent company's data centers in literally weekends. And now they're bringing some of those workloads, the traditional workloads, back on site to their new colo data centers on VxRail and VMware Cloud on Dell. And they're getting the benefit of that consistent operating model across an on-prem and in the cloud with that seamless mobility between the two, what we call execution points.
Sounds like you have a satisfied customer, that's for sure.
Yes, they're very happy with it and buying more. So that's usually the key indication of such.
And Eastern has over 30 years of experience, and you are an award-winning organization with Dell technology and also VMware.
Yes, that's correct. As you mentioned, we've been around for 30 years, and that's a testament to our trusted expertise that we have on hand in our company with excellent engineers. We're constantly investing in the evolving technologies that are constantly coming out and changing, and really staying on the forefront of all those technologies. And really, it's a testament to our customers and the partnership that we have with our customers in solving their business problems. I mean, they're Fortune 50, Fortune 100 customers globally. We solve unique problems for them on a daily basis, but they are not unique problems for global customers. A lot of the same problems that we solve for them happen for small customers, and we can apply that experience to our smaller customers as well. But it's always about a partnership and helping them understand what this technology can do for them, making sure that we understand what business problems they're trying to solve for, what goals they're trying to achieve, and marrying those two together.
Thank you so much, Rick. This was enlightening. Where should folks go for more information?
Sure, you can talk to us at Eastern. We usually start with a painless little assessment to see where you are in your journey. And from there, we can quickly recommend the appropriate solutions for you. We'd love to discuss the possibilities of what we could do together to help your business.
If you are looking for more information about Dell technology, VMware, or offerings from Eastern Computer, please visit www.ecei.com.